Hey guys, Adam here from Dents-B-Gone. I'm just about to do a dent repair on this Mercedes C250. The dent's just here in the dog leg. It's only a small dent, but because of the area where the dent is, being in this dog leg, there's no access to actually get a tool inside this area because there's an inner wheel well that comes and follows the outside skin and goes up inside, so all this is blocked off, so there's no access with a tool. So what we do there is we're going to use a glue pull method and pull the damage up from the outside. So I'll set the camera up and so you can watch the process on how we repair this one, and I'll bring you in at the end of the repair and show you what it looks like. Cheers. Righto, so this is our glue pull kit. Basically different tabs ranging from small all the way up to larger ones, all different shapes and sizes, and we actually do have larger tabs than these that we've got in the ute that in a different box. A slide hammer. So what we do pretty much is we'll use a tab, put glue on the tab, and then we'll hook the slide hammer into the tab and pull the dent out that way. Same with the mini lifter, same sort of principle, just on a smaller scale. So use smaller sort of tabs and we can hook them straight into the mini lifter. And that'll be sitting on the car like that, and that'll pull the dent up. So basically glue pullings are just getting a balance of lifting the dent up, tapping down, and rinsing and repeating that same process over and over again until the dent is where we want it to be. So I'll set the camera up so you can see this repair, and we'll go from there. Alrighty, so we're all done on this one. I'll spin the camera around in a minute so you can have a look, but You can see there's a lot more involved than just popping a dent out. This repair took probably 30, 40 pulls, maybe a little bit more. So bringing it up, tapping it down, bringing it up, tapping it down, rinse and repeat. It's just a process you got to do over and over until you get the repair right. It's definitely not as simple as just popping a dent out. So, you know, a lot of people try and buy these cheap eBay kits. A lot of this stuff, this glue pulling equipment you can buy on eBay, it's definitely not as high quality as the stuff that we're using. But I've seen a lot of people do damage to their cars using the crap you buy off eBay. So just be mindful and be careful. Sometimes it's better to just pay that little bit extra money and get the repair done right the first time by a professional that knows what they're doing. So just keep that in mind next time you've got a dent that you're thinking about tackling yourself. Don't do it. Please don't do it. So anyway guys, I appreciate you watching this video. If you liked it, please give us a like and a subscribe. It helps us and we appreciate it. So anyway, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers guys.